How to view capacity of Redmi Note 11. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see the storage and other details. First of all, open settings. Now here on the top at the search bar, simply search for storage. So these options will pop up. Now you can directly tap on internal storage. So if you tap on it, here it will give you a detailed view about your mobile device. Here you can see the detailed view about the RAM, the CPU and other versions too. So if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the model, baseband version, kernel version, internal storage and other options. So these are the features or these are the capacity that your mobile has. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.